Hello, we are going to talk about fractions.
We're going to do an introduction of fractions first. Rain Mathematical Papyrus is one of the earliest mathematical documents written between 1600 to 1700 BC. Fractions can improve arithmetic skills. We use them on the daily basis without realizing it. For example, how far can you travel on half a tank of petrol? If your share of a pizza is 2/3, will you still be hungry? If 3/5 of your journey is complete, how far do you still have to travel? There are three types of fractions. The first one is proper fraction, which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The second type of fraction is improper fraction, which the numerator is larger than the denominator. The third type of fraction is mixed fraction, which there is a whole number and a proper fraction.
Comparing fraction, equivalent fraction, fraction that have different numerator and denominators but are equal to the same value. When they are simplified, they are same. How to compare the fractions? Check whether the denominators are the same or not. If they are same, the fraction with the greatest numerators is the greatest fraction. If they are not the same, you will need to finding the less common denominator or the smallest multiple, the denominator share, then we make equivalent fraction.
Conversion between improper fractions and mixed numbers. To convert mixed number to improper fraction, there's two steps. Denominator multiplied by the whole number and sum with the numerator. Today's question, convert the mixed number, which is 3 and 4/7, to improper fraction. So first, denominator multiplied by the whole number. The denominator is 3 and the whole number, no, the denominator is 7 and the whole number is 3. So 3 times 7. 3 times 7, then we sum with the numerator, which the numerator is 4. So 3 times 7 plus 4. So we will get 25. The denominator will always remain the same. So the answer will be 25/7. Next, to convert improper fraction to a mixed number, there's three steps. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. In this question, the numerator is 27 and the denominator is 6. When 27 divided by 6, we will get 4 remainder 3. The second step, write down the whole number part of quotient. The quotient is 4, so the whole number will be 4. The third, take the remainder as it will be the numerator and write it over the original denominator. The remainder is 3, so 3 will be the numerator, and the original denominator always remain the same, so the denominator will also be 6. The answer will be 4 and 3/6. When we simplify it, it will become 4 and 1/2.
Addition and subtraction of fractions. Steps to add and subtract fractions. Convert any integer to a proper fraction. Add or subtract, then simplify it. They must have the same denominator, common denominator. They must be LCM, lowest common multiplier. For example, addition. 1/4 plus 1/6 equals 1 times 3 equals 3/4 times 3 equals 12 plus 1 times 2 equals 2/6 times 2 equals 12. 3/12 plus 2/12 equals 5/12. Subtraction. 5/8 minus minus 2 over 4 equals 5 over 8 minus 2 times 2 equals 4 over 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 over 8 minus 4 over 8 equals 1 over 8.
Multiplication of fractions. To multiply fractions, we need an improper fraction, and we multiply it. After that, we simplify it. Here's an example. To determine the value of 3 over 4 times 5 over 8, first step, we need to know that if we need to keep or change. If we need an improper fraction, we need a proper fraction. So these fractions are suitable for proper fractions. After that, we multiply them. To multiply, we multiply the numerator and numerator together, and after that, the denominator multiply the other denominator. After that, we'll get 15 over 32. Division of fractions. To divide them, first we need to know what is reciprocal. Reciprocal is that where the numerator and denominator is interchanged. So for example, 2 over 5, the reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2. So to form a reciprocal, we can swap the numerator and denominator together. And what we need to aware is that any fraction is multiplied by its own reciprocal, the result is always 1. To divide fraction, we need to convert any integer or mixed number to an improper fraction. After that, we form the dividing fraction to a reciprocal and rewrite the calculation with multiplication instead of division. Lastly, we multiply it and simplify it. For example, to determine the value of 2 divided by 3 over 4, the integral 2 need to be converted to 2 over 1. So there's an option here is keep or change. So the 2 is an integral, so we need to change it. After that, the reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. For this step, we just need to flip the numerator and denominator. Step 3. We rewrite the calculation into times after we flip it and change it. So the final answer will be 8 over 3, but to simplify it, we will get 2 and 2 over 3. That's all for now. Thank you.